Hello and welcome to Cooking with Cleo. Today we have a guest star, my best friend Laura. She's here from out of town and we are going to be making sheet pan fajitas. Now, sheet pan fajitas are one of my absolute favorite recipes as a busy mom. First, all we need is a few green, red, orange, yellow, whatever bell peppers you have on hand, and some onions. Cleo's pitching in her thoughts. What do you think about the fajitas, Cleo? Yeah, I agree. 100%. So here we're just cutting the bell pepper, and I have a whole video on the only correct way to cut a bell pepper, and all you have to do is cut the top and bottom off and then cut down the middle, cut that core out, and then cut it into slices for this recipe. And then we're going to be cutting up our onion next. To cut the onion, all you do is also take off the top and bottom. I leave the core in while I do my julienne, and then I take the core out usually. But I guess I didn't do it here. That's weird. Whatever. Now we're going to cut our chicken into slices. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we just cut it into slices that are about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch thick. I like doing thinner pieces, but that's just me. Okay, now we are ready to add our spices. I do about 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic, about 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and then salt and pepper. I like it a little spicy. If you don't want it to be that very spicy, go ahead and take out the cayenne or the chili powder or the red pepper flake. And then we have Cleo just chilling over in the corner, eating some bell peppers. That's pretty cute. She really likes bell peppers. Okay, now we're mixing up the seasonings, and I realize my pan is a little overcrowded, so we're going to get a second pan and line that with some parchment and separate these out, which is totally fine. Now we are going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. In between the cooking time, so halfway through, we're going to just take it out and stir it up and put it back in the oven for the rest of the time. When the fajitas are almost done cooking, we are going to begin heating up our tortillas. My husband likes flour tortillas. I like corn tortillas. Both work and taste great. I've done both. Right here, we're going to cook up both of them, and we're serving them with a homemade salsa, which maybe I'll make a video about homemade salsa another day, but it's really delicious. Go ahead and plate it up, and this is what the final product looks like.